The first fragment. The owl that holds the eastern watch tree has disputed the right to the dawn crossing. The dispute was legitimate. Prior occupancy, dawn hunting grounds, the hour in question being the hour when hunting concludes and passage back to the roost is required without interruption. The dawn crossing is needed because the readings at that point are most accurate in the early light before the air moves. Terms were reached. The approach to the crossing will be made by the southern path only, not the direct line, which passes within the range of comfort the owl has established by consistent behavior over 2 seasons. Nothing will be carried that makes noise. The work at the near marker will be completed before the owl's return from hunting, which occurs at the 4th bell without variation. The nest tree will not be looked at directly. In exchange, the crossing is not challenged and the markers are not interfered with, which some of the owl's kind have done in past seasons for purposes of their own. The arrangement is satisfactory. An owl with consistent territory is a known quantity. The tree has been held by 8 owls in the span of tenure here. The terms have been broadly similar each time. The terms are probably correct. The tree's requirements do not change with ownership. The crow that nests in the boat shed roof has been taking things. 3 small tools, 1 piece of measuring wire, and a brass fitting whose purpose was not the crow's concern. The crow's concern was that the objects were bright and available and the nest required them. The matter was settled as follows. The objects were not retrieved by force, as this would have required disturbing the nest, and crows hold grudges with a persistence that makes them poor neighbors. Instead, a number of bright objects of no practical value were placed at the edge of the dock, in clear sight of the nest, over a period of 4 days. The crow collected all of them. On the 5th day the fitting was found at the foot of the dock, apparently surplus to the nest's requirements. The tools and wire were not recovered. This is acceptable. The crow is a reasonable neighbor in other respects and the tools were not irreplaceable. The fitting was